Okay, so today I'm gonna be reviewing the Beats Studio 3 from Apple. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like inside. You just open up the top and pull the tab, and nice little message for you. Change the way you hear sounds, and this is where the headphones would be in after you unbox it. But since I already, opened it, nothing in there. As you can see, the case is pretty sturdy, but it does have a bit of ply. And as you continue to go deeper down, there's the paper and a nice sticker they give for you. Here's your instructions. Below that is where you would have the cable and such. The charging cable which is USB, not USB Type-C, and the auxiliary cable, which has a built-in mic in it. The controls are very easy. 1 touch for play and pause, 2 touch to skip forward, 3 taps for skipping backwards. When you're in a call and you want to answer, 1 touch. You want to hang up, 1 touch again. And when you turn it on, there's a light indicator that tells you how much battery you have, and you tap that button twice to turn on or turn off noise cancellation. One great thing for iOS Apple users is that the Beats, since they're owned by Apple, have the chip in it, which makes connecting to it very easily. You turn on your Bluetooth, sometimes you don't even have to, and it automatically connects, and it allows you to see the battery life and all that, and it even has your name with it. But one thing that's really cool is that it's very easy to switch between Apple devices. Now, the sound on these are great. The bass is very prominent, which doesn't come as much of a surprise. The highs and mids are well balanced and all that. Overall, great sounds. I'm someone who listens to music quite often, and I have to say this is probably the best headphones I've ever heard. Now, I wouldn't say they're worth the $350 price point. The noise cancellation is nice and it's very noticeable, but if you haven't experienced it, you would assume that it does all types of noise, but it really doesn't. Like low hums from electronic devices, from when heaters are turning on, fans from computers, those things are going to be muted, and very well at that. But if it's a really loud sound, you're going to be able to notice it if you listen hard enough. But overall, the noise cancellation is good. One of my biggest complaints are these really aren't comfortable at all. They're heavy, got a nice heft to it, and the ear cups, they're nice. They're made of leather and all that. Not bad quality, just not good, especially for my ear. I don't think I have that big of ears, but these hurt after 15 minutes of use. And one of the reasons I think it's a big problem is because it just fits really tight around your head. And over time, that just makes it super uncomfortable to have on. Overall, I get the appeal of Beats. These are my first ones, and I was fortunate enough to receive them for free when my sister got her new MacBook, and they're not bad headphones. I just wish they were better. Overall, if you want them, they're, good looking pair of earphones, but I wouldn't recommend them because they're just flat out uncomfortable.